fish cake is delicious. I want you to know this has this celery gravy on top of the fish cake, and it is marvelous. I'd like you to try this wonderful dish. It tastes good. All right, here's my simple sauce of gravy to go over the fish patties. You saute some garlic, onions, and bell peppers, and you're gonna add some cream of cherry soup, just like that. You're gonna blend it together, just like that. Get it all blended. Make sure it's blended. All the vegetables, the garlic, the onions, and the bell peppers. Now you put any ingredients you want, and I always tell you that, right? Okay. Now we're gonna add milk. Add the milk to it. Make it creamy, just like this. Make it creamy and delicious. Keep blending till it gets all bubbly. Add more milk if you need it. If you want it creamier, you add more milk. Just cream of celery soup. How often do you use cream of celery soup? I no one how to use cream of celery soup. Taste it. It's delicious. It's delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit more milk because I want it kind of thinner. You can add any season you want: dill, basil, rosemary, oregano, whatever you like. You put it in there. That's what you do. Now you might have to just get a little spoonful and see if you like it before you add it to the whole batch. Now I'm going to add some parsley flakes. Now look at how pretty that is. That's getting beautiful right now. Cut down the heat. Add some parsley flakes. Just like that. Parsley flakes makes a big difference. And stir that in. I like that. And you got the gravy. Like I said, if you want it thicker or thinner, you add more milk to make it the gravy you want. This is I'm going to tell you how to eat it, and thank you for coming to my channel and look at these simple recipes that you can make home without having the same stuff all the time to eat. Here's my end results of my fish cake. You could do a seafood cake, you could do any type of fish that you like in this cake. So that's why I made it, so you could be able to learn how to do different kind of cakes, fish cakes, savory cakes. Like I made this sauce to go on top, and I'm gonna have a recipe for that as well. This is a wonderful little dish, and I believe you will love it. This is gonna tell you how to eat it, and thank you for coming to my channel. Oh my goodness, look at that! Oh, this is a carb cake that I made. A carb. This is delicious, delicious, delicious. The same will tell you again, I have eaten, and thank you for coming to my channel.